everyone, and welcome to yet another episode of Online Tech Review. And today we have a special product for you. As you guys know, when you have expensive gear, you want to make sure that you protect your gear, and you're gonna be traveling a lot with it. So you want to make sure you have a really nice case where you can actually get your gear in and out. And today we are going to do the unboxing and a quick review of a Pelican air case. So without further ado, let me open this guy so you can actually see how it looks. It just got delivered today, and I did open the box prior to this because I wanted to make this video easy. So let me just remove the box. And now what's cool about this camera is that this camera case, is that this is designed for travel. So this is an official, meets all the requirements for a carry-on case. The weight has been adjusted, is 28% lighter than its predecessor. So that means that you can actually pack more gear and you're not gonna go through troubles when you wanna take this gear with you on the plane. So let me show you all sides of this Pelican case. Really high quality, really nice build. This is the first Pelican case that I've been using, that I got, so it's super important for me that my gear is safe. As you guys know, we shoot with a Canon 1DX Mark II, which is a really expensive camera, and we wanted to make sure that our case is really going to protect and it's going to do the job. So this is how the case looks. I'm going to lift it up. Not sure if you guys can see it. Okay, it is a little bit higher, so I'm going to bring it just a tiny bit lower so you can actually see all sides of the case. Let me turn this around. Okay, right here you actually have an air pressure valve, which is super important. It actually regulates the pressure inside the box, which is really fancy. This is where you can actually put in your name and your other information. Let me turn this on the side. And there are different variations that you can get with this case. What we did is we got it with padded devices because it's very important for us that our gear is nice and protected inside. And in order to open it, as you can see right here, it says Pelican Air. There you go. And this model right here, it's called Pelican 1535 Air. So it retails around just under $300 with this configuration that we have here. And without further ado, let me show you guys what we're talking about here. So, really nice build quality. Let me remove this moisture pouch. And there you go. So as you can see, there's plenty of space here. These pockets are quite deep, so you can actually pack your gear. The top portion is covered with a super dense foam material. All right, so you know your gear is going to be nice and safe. Obviously, you have extra things that come with the box, like elastic bands, so you can actually keep your gear extra safe and secure. These are adjustable. You can actually move these and configure however based on your needs. Okay, and one additional thing that I want to show you guys, obviously once you lock it, it locks nice and tight. So right here, not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but I'm going to try and kind of get this camera angle to help us in this case. All right, so right here, because this is a carry-on, right, so in order to lift it, in order to pull this aside, you just have to pull this piece of plastic right here, and there you go. So let me give you a few shots so you can see how this actually looks once you move this on the airport or other places. So as you guys can see, this bag is super practical as you move in and out, obviously when you travel with it. I do wish it had 4 wheels instead of 2, but even with 2 wheels, it's actually fine because they work pretty nice. And I do like the fact that you can actually add locks on both sides to make sure that your gear is safe and nobody can get in there. So this is it for this time. Let us know, what equipment do you use to travel with? What cases, what brands do you recommend for your gear to make sure your gear is nice and safe? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. So until next time, thanks for watching.